Hello everyone. In lecture 15, I believe I made a small mistake in calculating the swing limit for this output voltage V0. In the lecture, I had mentioned that the drain voltage of this transistor is at VDD. So the gate can go as high as VDD minus VTHN, but this is wrong because the gate can go one threshold higher than the drain. Right? So this can actually go VDD plus VTHN, and that will keep this transistor in saturation. Right, but we saw that to keep this PMOS in saturation, this voltage can go as high as VDD minus P overdrive. Right, so VDD minus P overdrive is the maximum this can go. Right, so what is the maximum V0 can go? That will be this voltage minus gate to source voltage of this NMOS. Right, so let me quickly recalculate that. So the maximum voltage is what? It is VDD minus V overdrive minus gate to source voltage. And this I can rewrite as VDD minus V overdrive minus VGS minus VTHN plus VTHN. So this is essentially VDD minus 2 V overdrive minus VTHN. Okay. And the minimum voltage is still the drain to source minimum voltage of this transistor, which is 1 overdrive voltage. So the maximum voltage here is this guy. And if you plug in the numbers, what do we get? It's around 1.2 minus 0.2 minus 0.4, that's around 0.6 volt, right? So the minimum to maximum is 0.1 to 0.6. So we essentially are limited to a swing of 0.5 volt. Okay, and this is again much smaller compared to the swing limit you get only with this section, right? So the bottom line of the discussion is still the same. That is, the moment you try to add a source follower as the buffer stage to make an op-amp, the output swing is limited significantly. Okay, and thanks for the students who had pointed it out. And this is one disadvantage of having an, like asynchronous online class where you students are not there live to correct my mistakes. Okay, but anyways, thanks for pointing it out. But yeah, the bottom line of the discussion is still the same. The act of having a source follower at the output to make a conventional op-amp will significantly limit the output swings.